The extremely interesting Buddhist stupa at Samangan, Afghanistan is known locally as Takhti Rustam, meaning Rustam's throne. Rustam, the hero of Firdausi's great epic the Shahnama, Book of Kings, written in Ghani circa 1010 AD, married the beautiful daughter of the king of Samangan, Tehmina. He celebrated the event here by drinking wine from the basin at the top the stupa. Throughout Afghanistan, many unnatural mounds of unusual shape are associated with the life of this popular hero and bear his name. A Japanese archaeological mission under the direction of Professor Seiichi Mizuno excavated here in 1959 and 1960. From them we learned that this complex was a thriving Buddhist community during the 4th and 5th centuries AD. The stupa cave crowns the hill in front of the monastery. Rock-cut stupas such as this were popular in India, the home of Buddhism, as early as the 1st century BC, but this one is absolutely unique in size and construction. The dome-shaped structure of highly polished limestone, 8 meters high and 28 meters across, is encircled by a 2-meter wide passageway at its foot which was used by pilgrims for circumambulation. The relic chamber in most conventional stupas was generally placed about 3/4 of the way up the stupa and sealed. Since this stupa was carved from solid rock, the relic chamber was located in the square harmika on the summit. The harmika originally supported the staff of the chhatri or umbrella with which all stupas were embellished. The entrance to Cave 1 consists of an anteroom and a large round room with 2 niches originally sheltering statues of the Buddha. The ceiling is most remarkable, being carved to resemble a lotus blossom in full bloom. Cave 2 has 2 entrances leading into a long double corridor with a vaulted ceiling. Off the main rectangular chamber there are numerous individual cells used by Buddhist monks as retreats. Carved inside the outer walls of the trench is a Buddhist monastery with 5 individual caves and several monastic cells for meditation. Small holes in the roofs allow a little daylight to enter the caves, creating a peaceful atmosphere of twilight. The cave monastery is lacking any decorative elements, but is impressive for its sheer engineering feat. Historians have proposed 2 possible reasons as to why the stupa has been carved in the ground, instead of being built above ground. One explanation is that it could have been done for the purpose of camouflage to protect the monastery from invaders. Another much more mundane explanation states that it has simply been done to escape the excessive climate extremes of Afghanistan. Further architectural analysis revealed insights into the site's origins. It linked its creation to the Kushan Empire. This was a period when Buddhism was experiencing a golden age of patronage. The influence of various cultural traditions shaped the contours and iconography of Takhti Rostam. These influences were hallmarks of the region's pivotal role in the Silk Road. They also showcased the transmission of religious thought across continents. Researchers found that the monastic complex engaged in extensive scriptural study and meditation. This reinforced theories about the dissemination of Mahayana Buddhism through such educational institutions. Subsequent discoveries of manuscripts and relics within the chambers enriched our understanding of daily monastic life. The artifacts unearthed during these studies provided a tangible connection to the ancient world. They underscored Takhti Rostam's importance as a hub of spiritual and cultural exchange. As modern excavation tools and techniques became available, more details about Takhti Rostam emerged. Radiocarbon dating efforts have offered a timeline for the monastery's active years. Discoveries of residential areas have provided a glimpse into the lives of those who called the area home. Today's historians remain devoted to discovering Takhti Rostam's secrets. These ongoing explorations contribute to a tapestry that depicts early civilizations' complexities and interconnected nature. Please like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.